Hey, what's up? What are you doing?
Nothing. Just watching the game.
Oh, cool. How was that party last night?
Oh, it was pretty crazy. There was like 100 people there.
Damn, I should have went.
So how was your grandma's birthday?
Oh, it was better than your party.
Oh, I doubt it. John threw up in the pool.
Oh, that's gross. Did you get a video of it?
Of course I did. I put it up on Facebook and I tagged everybody.
Oh, really? I'm trying to look for it now.
Did you watch it yet?
Yeah, still can't find. Oh, wait, here it is. Oh, man, that's crazy. Oh, my grandma's party was still better, though.
Oh, okay then.